How to add device on Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on tech and cryptos. I'm going to show you the process of adding in a new device of using your Amazon Prime Video. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Log into your account of Amazon Prime or Amazon Prime Video on your website and then click on the profile icon on the top right and then open up account and settings. You may again need to log into your account, and inside of accounts and settings, the top you'll see device, your devices. Click on this option and then click on register new device. From here, all you need to do is type in the registration code, which will look something like this. You can find the registration code by following these steps. So open up your Prime Video app on your TV or any other device that you're using. Select register on the Prime website and the registration code should be visible on the left side of your screen. You just need to copy and paste in the code and then click on register device, and a new device will be added to your Amazon Prime account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more content similar to this. Until then, keep watching.